Hi there! Welcome to another Sheet Leveler tutorial. Today, we're going to tackle a super handy Excel feature, concatenation. This nifty function lets you combine the contents of multiple cells into one. For example, you can effortlessly merge a first name and a surname into a full name, just like magic. So, ready to learn how it works? Let's dive right in. Hello and welcome to Sheet Leveler. I'm Hannah, and along with our Sheet Leveler, we're here to make Excel as simple and enjoyable as possible with step-by-step tutorials. Today's topic: concatenation. We'll walk through how to use this feature with a small data table, but don't worry, you can use the same method for larger lists too. No more tedious copying or retyping. This is all about making your life easier. Let's get started. First, click on the cell where you want the result to appear. Let's say D3 for this example. This is where the full name will pop up. Now, go up to the FX button, short for Insert Function, and click on it. This opens a function window where you can pick from different categories. Select all, find Concatenate, and hit OK. Once the function is selected, you'll see boxes labeled Text 1 and Text 2. These are placeholders for the data you want to combine. The cool part? This function can merge up to 255 pieces of data into one cell. And don't worry about running out of space. New text boxes will appear automatically as you add more items. For our example, we'll combine a first name and a surname with a space in between. For Text 1, click in the box, then select the cell with the first name. In this case, it's B3. For Text 2, type a single space. Just click into the box and press the spacebar once. Excel will automatically add quotation marks around it. That's normal. For Text 3, click the box and select the cell with the surname, which is C3 in our table. You'll see the full name previewed at the bottom of the window. Once everything looks good, click OK, and ta-da! You've got the full name neatly displayed in your target cell. To apply the formula to the rest of your list, simply grab the little square at the bottom right corner of the cell, known as the fill handle, and drag it down. This will copy the formula to the other rows, updating the references automatically. And just like that, all your names are concatenated in seconds. Before we wrap up, here are 3 quick but important tips to keep in mind when using concatenation. 1. How to make changes. The target cell, where the full name appears, contains only the concatenate formula, not the actual text. The real data is still in the source cells. So, if you need to update a name, simply edit the source cells. For example, if you want to change Tommy to John, just replace Tommy in B3 with John. The result in the target cell will update instantly. 2. Copying without formulas. Need to copy your concatenated names, but don't want the formulas? We've got you covered. Check out our tutorial on how to copy and paste values without formulas in Excel. It's a super useful trick, and the link is in the description below. 3. Splitting names. What if you need to do the opposite? Split full names into first names and surnames. That's easy too. Watch our tutorial titled How to Separate Names in Excel for a Quick Solution. Again, the link is in the description. Let's hear from you. Did you find this tutorial helpful? If so, give us a thumbs up and explore more of our videos to keep leveling up your Excel game. New to Sheet Leveler? We'd love for you to join our growing community. Hit that subscribe button and become a subscriber today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.